Yes guys, what is happening? And welcome back to a brand new video on the Audi S1. So we've been away and we're going to hit it, man. Thank you all so much. The last video went absolutely mad. It's like doubled in views, more likes, more comments. So you know the drill. Like, share, subscribe, all that madness. And today I would like to try and get it on the floor, get it moving, get it driving if possible. So there is quite a few things still to do. As you can see, the rear wheel is in no way on earth is that going to be dropped on that, because that is horrendous. So yeah, hopefully today we can get some things done and get on with the video. So yeah, I'm going to show you a couple of things first and then we'll get cracking onto it. Some of you said you didn't really like me talking about what we was doing, trying to explain it, and some of you saying we want to see more hands-on tool stuff. So I'm going to try and do my best. I do like to hear the feedback off my videos because I like to think that you like watching my stuff. I don't want to keep you here chatting and bore the shit out of you basically. So yeah, let's get on with the video and let's go. Right, so we have got something I didn't actually think I'd have to buy, but because you can't really see what you're getting off Copart without actually going to see it, we've had to make this purchase. There we go, here's this puppy. Right, so as you can see there, we have had to buy a new headlight. The other headlight was A, cracked on the outside of the lens, B, the inside of it was smashed to pieces and the back of it was like split down the middle. I don't know if this needs coding or not. I'm hoping it doesn't, because these are not cheap. The fact that it's just got the red in it, I think it just makes it more expensive. I don't know why. I think it's exactly the same as the A1 headlights, but yeah, I'm hoping I can just take the connectors and the bulbs out of my ones, put them in that, and then hopefully it'll kind of know that it's still the same kind of headlight. But I don't know. So yeah, I might have the headlight in there, so I might be alright to try it today. I don't know, but the main priority today is let's get this thing on the road, so let's go. Right guys, so I'm just going to show you some of the bits that we've got. I don't know how hard, or I'm going to show you anyway in the video because a lot of you are so sick. Honestly, some of you are amazing, like you comment and let me know stuff that I don't even know. So to start off with, we've got this connector. This is off the top of the suspension, so as you know, it's got like electronic dampening kind of, so when you press the modes, it kind of changes the stiffness of the suspension. So we've got one of these, which I thankfully managed to find because the part number was on the side of it, and one of you wicked Instagram followers sent me the link and I bought it. So that was like 20 quid for that one connector. Thankfully we managed to sort that out. So that needs to go on the top of the suspension because I don't know how that will make the suspension act without that. So that's one thing that needs to be done. Obviously the wires have snapped off in the top of the thing. I'm going to insert the picture now whilst this is going over, and you can see that I need to somehow put connectors on the two of the wires and put it in there. But how do I know which one needs to go into where? Like, this is all learning, I guess. Like, I've never done this, so I don't know. But yeah, we're learning on the fly. So we've got that. And then we've also got the ABS sensor snapped off in the old hub. So we've got a new ABS sensor here. And while I was online, I looked for an Audi 2-pin connector. So I'm going to like cut into that. Same again. How do I know which one needs to go where? If I somehow splice these onto the wrong ends, will it blow a fuse or what? Like I say, if anyone knows how I should do this, please let me know, because I really appreciate it. And then, as you know, the hub got ripped out along with the brake line. So rather than buying one brake line, we bought a set of braided lines. So these are performance brake hoses, which were about 40 quid, which weren't too bad to be honest. So yeah, there's a few things to do today, but first we're gonna attack the rear to get the rear done, and then we're gonna drop the car on the back and then focus on the front and then go from there. Right, so I don't know if many of you can see this yet, but the sill isn't perfect yet. I'm not gonna lie, I've never bullshitted you once on this channel and gone, yeah, the sill's sound. Look, it's not. It still needs pulling out a bit. It still needs a body shop to smooth it out because I really am struggling. Look, I'm not gonna lie. So we've got a new wing in, but obviously the wing bolts to the sill, and if the sill's still a bit on the piss, it's affecting angle. So the door, Manny, I love you man, works in my body shop of choice, Ultimate Finish. He said the door's gone in. So if the door's gone in, then we can have issues with things lining up. So yeah, might need a new door. That's like another 180 quid, which all this adds up, and it's like, man. So yeah, that's just that anyway. I thought I'd show you and just be as honest as possible. But a few people are liking this, man, so honestly, if you're new here, please consider subscribing. And yeah, I'm looking to do as much mad content as possible. So yeah, I appreciate you guys. So you know what the problem is, and you know what we're trying to fix today. So yeah, let's whip this bad boy off. So hopefully you can see, this is awful, but this bar here where my finger is, no, can you see my finger? Literally just in there, is bent like a C shape. I'm struggling to remove it because everything seems to be in the way. So the drive shaft and the anti-roll bar is kind of in the way, so I can't really get onto it. So yeah, I'm just struggling at the minute. Right, so as you can see how difficult this is, like, I don't know if to just jack the other side up and try and lower the anti-roll bar. Like, I don't know if that would be the best thing to do, to be honest, because like it's on there, but it's not like 100%, it's probably like 75% on there. So yeah, it's not great, man. Right, that's the best angle I can get at the minute. I hope I'm not in the way, but it is an absolute knob. Just what type of person puts an anti-roll bar right there, man? Like, are you a shaft or what? So I've got an extension with a flexi. You're not wanting to see my hands on, oh my, look, this is atrocious. Yeah, I'm glad it's coming out, but I'm also I'm glad I haven't had to remove the anti-roll bar. But yeah, it's what we're going to tell, because as soon as this bolt's going to try and come out straight. So yeah, it's going to be fun to see what happens at least. Hopefully you can see this now. This is the world's longest bolt. I'm just about to take it out because you guys wanted to see me actually work on the car. So yeah, it's pretty, come on, man. You guys wanted to see me work on the car, so this is what you're getting. Absolute nightmare. Look at the angle of that bolt now. So I've had to, like, as it's coming out, I've had to pull the arm down. So, oh, so long, bolt. Oh my god, here we go, here we go. Come on, come on, come on. Ah, my arm's killing. Here we go, here we go. Gotta be in that. Come on, boy. It's gotta be. How is it still threaded? It can't be. You're gonna see this bolt, I'm telling you. Oh my god, I've got the world's worst camera holder. Right, so the rear wheel was hanging out, so I'm hoping, I'm praying that that was the issue. Can you see the difference? I think it's twisted, you know, as well. Yeah, I think it has, because it won't stand up, look. So yeah, that's twisted and bent, so it should look like that. Right, so that was an absolute faff. That was like the hardest 2 bolts I've ever had to remove. Normally it's like the most simple things that give you the problem, and that is what's giving me the problem. So now it's still kind of on the piss a bit that way, but I'm hoping, because none of this is connected up, I'm hoping as soon as I bolt this up, it's gonna pull it this way, which will kind of straighten it out. So yeah, I'm literally gonna put this anti-roll bar section back in, spring, shock, and hopefully and get it back together. I hope to God this straightens up, like, because if not, something else is bent and I'm going to need to replace even more bits. So yeah, from what I could see, it looked like that. Probably could replace the rear lower arm. There's another like a U-Y bendy thing which looks pretty straight. So yeah, if this doesn't fix it, then more parts are going to have to be ordered and replaced. So yeah, I'm hoping that this will pull this in. So let's go. Right, this is going to be difficult to film as I'm on the floor, but this is going to go back into its position down there. So as I jack that up, because obviously this is the most flimsiest piece, I'm going to try and get that bolt in there, which is this really small one. And then as we're doing that, this is the shock, and that's this one there for the hub. So I'm hoping that this will pull this in just a little bit. So yeah, wish me luck. So as you can see, that bolt is in there. I'm going to just put that in now, so that kind of secures the spring and thingy. Because what I did was, I didn't even, I compressed the spring under the bolt, and then as I dropped it, it went bang. So yeah, I'm just going to bolt this up now, and then hopefully do the anti-roll bar one and this one. Right then, so this has all been done up now. I'm not too sure if this is still wonky. I don't know. I really don't know. So there's only one way to find out. Let's put the wheel on. Let's drop the car. The car is actually been dropped on its own weight for the first time since it's been crashed. So this is a big moment. Yeah, we don't have brake lines fitted. We don't have the coolant lines fitted either. Nothing's been bled. So literally it's just handbrake and whatever. So I might just go forward and backwards on the drive. I don't know. But yeah. I said today we were going to try and drive it today, so if it moves off its own power, we don't even know if it drives, so yeah, let's give her a go. Right then, I put some bricks in the way so we don't smash the teg. I think it needs something else. I can't see this wheel getting pulled in, so it might need something else. So yeah, without further ado, let's drop her. Yep. It doesn't look like it's done anything. Oh my god, it doesn't actually look like it's even done anything, so yeah, we have more problems. Right, so what kind of person would I be if we were going to let that rear wheel let us down? So we are going to try and move it. So I've got the key. As long as it starts, we're going to move it. So bearing in mind I've only got handbrake, so I hope this kind of goes well. So yeah, the battery might be dead as a dodo, so I'm hoping. So we've got no coolant lines connected, we've got no brake line, well, left hand brake line is not connected, no ABS sensor, no suspension sensor. Ready? Will she start? That is the question. Right, here we go. Stop vehicle, check brake fluid. We ain't gonna do that. Woo! Spicy! Oh my god. Switch engine off and check coolant level. Nah, we'll be alright for a minute. That sounds good, man, that sounds good. Let's go check her out, see what she sounds like. Yes, I love it. Oh, should we see if we can move it then, or what? Wish me luck. Runs and drives. So yeah, sorted this side out. Yeah, coolant hose is there. Right, Eddie, man. Big up, man. Yeah, I'm a bit scared because I keep going to slam the accelerator and the brake pedal, even though I know the brake pedal won't work. that's scary. But yeah, she runs, she drives okay-ish, but yeah, she moves. Right guys, so that is it for today's video. I told you we're going to get it running under its own power, yeah. So before you go away, make sure you like, make sure you share, make sure you subscribe, because I'm really enjoying this, and without you guys watching and sharing and liking, I won't be able to make this happen. So yeah, big up to everyone watching, love you all, and I'll see you on the next one. So peace.